1, go!
So we have 4 robots on that table, and the robot from Greenbird is all shiny, light green, and also some blue. As before, we have from Tunisia, the small robot is already going for the stairs, and has some difficulties to climb the stairs. Apparently, let's see if we can finally go up. And so we have already Greenbird scoring a light bulb on top of his spotlight on 3 high. And so one stands in the starting area for Tunisia. And so many popcorns, unfortunately one was out for the big robot of Greenbird, and another bucket of popcorn with some extra popcorn that they took from the dispensers. Ooh, very nice. And put on the stairs. Also have 2 claps, and I see in the small robot of Greenbird more as spotlight. And the 3rd clap is down. It has to pass along, 20 seconds left. So it was crowded in that area, so the biggest robot decided to go back and see if we can not stuck. And that's the end of the